Before a tire ever touches the road, it begins as 5 completely different materials.
At this stage, precision is everything. A difference of just a few grams can change how the tire grips.
The rubber compounds are balanced precisely, ensuring optimal durability, flexibility, and resistance to heat.
This is where the tire gains its hidden strength.
Here at Factory Expert, the precise application of heat and pressure molds the unique tread pattern onto the rubber.
The Factory Expert utilizes precision blades to shear away excess flashing, ensuring a perfect edge every time.
Each batch is refined and tested for structural strength and long-lasting performance.
Now fully cured, each tire must prove its precision. Automated systems scan for microscopic imperfections invisible to the human eye. These markings aren't just branding. They certify performance under extreme road conditions. Before it ever leaves this facility, every tire must prove its balance under rotation.
Built to carry weight. Built to endure speed. Built under heat. Tested under pressure. Ready for the road.
Next time you're driving at highway speed, remember what's beneath you.
From raw rubber and steel to heat, pressure, and precision engineering, this tire is built to carry you safely at highway speed. Every rotation on the road begins right here.